and dancing just flex. Real flag boss, you know I just flex.
Just flex, tell them say prayer works.
Just flex, keep you posted all for your cruise, you know I just flex with subscribers, much respect for the support, guy. Number one, me say I just flex.
Yeah, wagwan peeps. Bless up to Power Squad. Bless up to Lifetime Squad. Yeah, just flex us a check income for give you guys a one exclusive also. Share a couple videos also. You know, so we not keep up no more time. So parents speak out after son dies in crash near Kellits. A murder case dies with him. Listen up, peeps. The parents of a motorcyclist who met a nasty end when his bike crashed with a truck on Mackney Main Road in Clarendon on January 2 have admitted that their late son was accused of murdering a man at Coronation Market in downtown Kingston. But the parents, Beverly and Philburn Jackson, stated that their 30-year-old son, Simeon Jackson, otherwise called Kush, said he committed the act in self-defense. He reportedly told them that he killed a man who attacked him and also labeled him a thief. The parents further said the weapon used in the incident, a knife, reportedly belonged to the alleged attacker, Jassy B. They told the news team that the stabbing incident transpired on 8 December 2018 when they, along with their son, went to sell goods at Coronation Market. Now listen up, peeps. The mother recalled that while at the market she bought a meal for her son and he asked her for 100 Jamaican dollars to purchase something to drink. Me give him the 100 Jamaican dollars and him walk away from us with the food and the money in him hand, she said. She added that while she and her husband were still in the market, someone in Clarendon telephoned them stating their son killed a man at the market. The parents said out of fear of retaliation, they quickly packed their belongings, placed them inside their bus and beat a hasty retreat out of the market. People from country call me and tell me to get out of the market because you know how downtown stay. Probably they would kill me and kill my husband, the mother said. They journeyed to their rural home at Douglas Castle near the border between Clarendon and Senton. The parents stated that a few hours after they reached home, their son also showed up there. Him said somebody tell him to run to the police station, but him said him did fear of his life. I saw him come straight home, the mother said, adding that there is no truth to claim that her son went to hiding. Him never hide. If you did do something and you hide, you not run come your yard. You're going to run somewhere else go hide, she reasoned. The parents disclosed that about 8 days after the killing in Kingston, law enforcers from Crafts Hill Police Station in Clarendon showed up at their home and arrested their son. Right from here, the police pick him up. Him could have denied doing the killing, but him say him not tell a lie. Him attack himself through, the mother said. Her son, who was turned over to the Denham Town Police Station, was later taken to Horizon Remand Center in Kingston. The father said he hired a lawyer and the son eventually got bail in the sum of 400,000 Jamaican dollars when he appeared in the court at 3:30 in St. Andrew. Jassy B, now follow up. The parents divulged that up to the time their son died in the crash on January 2, he, as a condition of his bail, was still reporting to Crafts Hill Police Station twice per week, Monday and Thursday. Now listen up, peeps. The mother said her son appeared in the court on December 24 last year and was booked to return on March 26, which him no make it. Yeah, because March no come yet. Jassy B, right, move on. The bereaved parents are not pleased that since their son died in the bike accident, persons have been speaking ill of him, especially stating that he killed a man in Kingston and was on the run. The father is hurt by the comments. This thing, yeah, make me hurt. Me pitney dead and them still a put up pressure upon me. Jassy B, he told the news team. The mother said, my son is a man who defends himself. Me not gonna make anybody disadvantage him. She posited that her son was no thief, adding that he was a farmer who also repaired motor vehicles. Him can pull up any bike and make it up from scratch right up, the mother said emphatically. Jassy B. The father in the meantime stated that shortly before his son died, they both were doing some work on the farm. Me think him did there at the yard. Me never hear him ride out the bike or anything, he added. He also claimed that to date, the family is yet to hear from the police or owner of the ill-fated truck. The whole family eye because them said not even little talking or anything from anybody. Me just sit down and I watch what I go on. They kill him like a dog and me no hear nothing. But a God God they are heaven, a God of the ruler, the father said. The father lamented from the chocolate, my son in the road. The police no draw no tape, them no mark nothing, and me get some paint and mark it the scene. Jassy B. The father, who is not confident that justice will be served, said his family also did not get justice when a vehicle killed one of his uncles in June 2019 on Matney Main Road, relatively close to where his son died in the crash. His uncle was known as Masked Rocky. Right now, me nah get no justice, the father upping. His family on Sunday evening hosted a candlelight at vigil for his son, Jassy B. That's sad, you know? Yeah, the man will a candlelight vigil for his son. You know? Yeah, me correct up that. Jassy B, so it's sad, you know? Yeah, very sad. So this man here died with a murder case, because this man also did a report to Crafts Hill Police Station twice a week, Monday and Thursday, right peeps? Yeah, but it's sad. So as him dead, you go hear this, you go hear that. I saw it ever go in a hurt, man. But when me I go do, me have a couple videos and things me couldn't watch them, me soon forward, up top.
Wild! I am a blessing!
Wild!
Blessing!
Yeah!
Blessing! I am blessing! I am in! Blessing!
Wild!
I am in!
Okay.
Just a moment po, she's coming. Just a moment.
Yeah, so welcome back. Bless up to Power Squad again, Lifetime Squad. Big up on yourself, as always. Yeah, hope you guys watch exclusive, not the best at reading, but hope you guys understand and think. Yeah, and then we'll move on to the videos them. So Monkey Man say blessing, yeah done. We know it go. Big up yourself. Yeah, all a good rain weather and thing. Yeah, and then now police give chase to stolen bus. So that is the alleged report. I don't sure, cause me not dead. So me have to check this. But for now, alleged report is that that bus is stolen and police giving chase at it and thing. Yeah, and then now the next video, the 4-year-old that was killed in Chilani, well, one of the killers that the site, yeah, were handed over to police and thing. And just share in the comment section below. Me still not keep up no time, and we out.
And dancing just Blex. Real flag boss, you know what just Blex.
Just Blex tell them say prayer works.
Just Blex, keep you posted all on your cruise, you know what just Blex with subscribers, much respect for the support, car. Number one, me say ya just Blex.